Alright, this is the clock that sneezes. And it is going to scare me, because that's what it does. It's a Singulair allergy clock. It sneezes at every hour, 3, 6, and 9. Well, no, it's not every hour. It's every third hour, but it only does those 3 hours. Like, it won't do midnight, and I don't think it does it at, like, the morning ones. Which is weird, because, like, how does it know it's morning? Because it doesn't have, like, a thing which says AM or PM. See? It sneezed, and it scared me. As you could probably tell, because I stopped talking mid-sentence. It's actually off by, like, 55 seconds. Whatever. But it scared me nonetheless. And now you know what I mean when I say the sneezing clock.